About a half hour, former FBI Director James Comey is set to be arraigned at a courthouse outside Washington, D.C. Live look there, Alexandria, Virginia. That Virginia grand jury indicted Comey last month on charges including obstruction of a congressional proceeding. Joining us now live outside that Alexandria courthouse is MSNBC Justice and Intelligence correspondent Ken Delaney. Ken, good to see you. Walk us through what we should expect will unfold there in the hour ahead.
Hey, Jonathan. So we're awaiting the arrival of James Comey. We have not seen him at least walk into the front door of this courthouse. This is a pro forma hearing. It's an arraignment, so it's an opportunity for the charges to be read against Mr. Comey, those two charges of lying to Congress and obstructing an official proceeding. He'll be able to enter a plea. We expect him to plead not guilty. And then there'll be some discussion about arrangements for release, and there may be some other extraneous matters raised by his lawyer. He's represented by Pat Fitzgerald. We haven't seen him either, but viewers may remember Patrick Fitzgerald, a prominent figure in the legal community, longtime DOJ prosecutor, served as a special counsel investigating the leak of a CIA agent's name 20 years ago, won a conviction against Dick Cheney's chief of staff. Here's an interesting coincidence. The lead FBI agent in that case against Scooter Libby, who was later pardoned by George Bush, is now one of the agents investigating the James Comey matter. He came out of retirement to do that. He had previously endorsed Kash Patel, so he's believed to be a kind of a MAGA figure. But he is now a special investigator on the James Comey case. And so that's what we expect to unfold. We don't think it'll be a very long hearing. We also expect that Mr. Comey, he's surrendering essentially, so he will be booked and processed by the FBI this morning, which could include him being fingerprinted and a mugshot taken, which would be a remarkable moment for a former FBI director. Jonathan.
Hey, you know, Ken, even we've talked about conservative legal thinkers, conservative legal scholars, basically disregarding these charges against James Comey, saying they're a joke, that they're in conflict with themselves. If they are as weak as even these conservative legal thinkers say they are, how long before the court throws these charges out?
You know, that's an interesting question, Joe. It depends on what strategy Comey's lawyers decide to pursue, because there's an argument to be made that they should drag this out, and because they want it would behoove them to get discovery in this case and obtain all the correspondence and all the memos and text messages in an effort to show whether Donald Trump or people at the White House like Stephen Miller actually influenced this prosecution, because that would support a motion to throw it out on the grounds of selective and vindictive and malicious prosecution. But that could take some time, obviously. That could take more than a year. That kind of discovery doesn't happen overnight. So that's one way that this could go. But look, what viewers need to know here is that the two prosecutors, the career prosecutors that are coming in to bring this case in court today, are not from the Eastern District of Virginia, which brought the case. They are from North Carolina. And that suggests that there's not a single career prosecutor in the Eastern District of Virginia who was willing to go into court to prosecute this case today after, remember, the U.S. attorney who was appointed by Donald Trump was fired in part for refusing to bring this case, and he appointed his former defense lawyer and insurance lawyer, Lindsey Halligan, as the U.S. attorney in this district where I'm standing, guys.
MSNBC Justice and Intelligence correspondent Ken Delaney, thank you very much for your reporting. We will be watching what happens there.